Hello YouTube, this is Lawless015 here, and today we have two packages here and we're gonna open them. So yeah. Oh. Alright, let's see what you got. Let's start it small. Alright, let's see. What's that? Okay. Smells so awesome. Cool. Now let's go for the other one. Ah man. Okay, weight cap. This. Looks like these are, what is this? Oh, okay. These are the shoes. Yes. And we got the wig. Good. Okay, let's go for these. Some wristbands and a belt, I guess. And a shirt. Put this over. I will show pictures in the end. Yep. I will show pictures in the end, so be sure to look for those at the end of this video. So, yeah. There you go. And of course you got a wig. Anyway. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more unboxing, and I'll post pictures after this video. So yeah, thanks for watching.